Hi, here's how to overlay a PDF on top of another PDF when printing. So for example, I have an invoice here that's many pages and there's no header logo on it at all. So I want to add this other PDF which just has the logo on top of that PDF automatically when printing. Now we have a tool that can do this called Batch and Print Pro. To set it up, you just click on File menu, PDF print settings, Advanced. Here you have background overlay file, which is going to be my logo. Click on Browse, click on Stamp, which is my logo file. Save and exit. So it's that simple to set up. Now I have my file here, so I'm just going to drag and drop that example invoice in there. It can be any number of files, and then just click Print. So that's sent the print to the printer. So if I look at the print job here, I've got a tool here that can convert print jobs back to PDF. So I'm just going to double click on that so you can see it. So that is the final output that will print on the printer. So that has been applied to every page. Give it a try.